What's up with it? Lieutenant Thrash back at you. Ready to fucking show y'all how to whip this shit up right, motherfucker. So I went to the festival, Louder Than Life, these couple of females. Crazy shit, dog. Crazy shit. 3-day festival. So on the way there, I was hammering Grateful Dead fucking IPAs. Fucking slayed the whole 6-pack. 2-hour ride from where I live to Louisville, Kentucky. Yeah, it's a pretty fucking shitty place. Fuck y'all motherfuckers. Stole my backpack up in the fucking festival. Nice $80 independent trucks backpack, along with useful paraphernalia that was inside. So I was on the way, fucking slaying that shit. Fucking crushed the whole 6-pack, and then I had another 6-pack of Tall Boys, Coors Lights, hammering them. So we get there, posted up, waiting on the camping passes. Before we even left, she said no smoke from the car. So we get there, I'm waiting, drunk as fuck. I get sick of this shit. I just want to smoke a blunt. I ain't smoked since I left, like 2 hours. So I roll up a fucking roach blunt, fire that bitch up, start smoking in the back seat, and then I realize I gotta take a piss. So I get on my skateboard, cruise over to some fucking little building or some shit, pull my pants down and take a piss. Or I finally got our camping passes and over to the fucking security to get checked out. So they fucking find all the glass bottles, and there's like, can't have glass in the place because hazard. So they let me save one of the bottles for a souvenir. Thank you guys. We're pulling out, we're about 10 feet away from the security. I couldn't hold it no more, bro. I fucking rolled down that window, fucking put my head out the window and hurled up all over the fucking car door. Fucking the window was fucking, the door was covered in this shit. These fuckers at the security place, they see me do it, they was like, dude, he's fucked up right now, bro. So I went straight to bed. I wake up with a fucking wicked hangover, dog. I walk away from my tent, and I'm walking up and down the road, gravel road, and I see a nice food truck. And I'm like, fuck yeah, dude. So I go up and get me the most bomb-ass cure for hangovers. I ate this shit, and no hangover after that, boys and girls. I felt fucking A1. I'm gonna show y'all how to make that shit, because this shit is so bomb. I've been making it up ever since, and I've even tossed in a few of my own specialties in there, because I am a fucking chef specialty. I'm one of the best, bro. So if y'all wanna fucking get on my level, go ahead and keep watching this video. And at the end, got some exclusive footage from the festival, so you don't wanna miss that shit. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you found this fucking video helpful at all. Many more cooking tutorials to come. So with that being said, let's get to it. First thing you want to go ahead and do is toss your hash browns up into the oven. The only choice, coconut oil. It's all we cook with around here. Just toss on the mushroom and green pepper. Now I got onions and tomatoes as well, but I like those raw personally. Whenever you put mushrooms in your eggs, go ahead and fry the mushrooms up first. Give them a little pre-cook, just for a little bit. While we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and get some cilantro, chop it up. We're gonna go and toss our eggs on there. I'm gonna throw 2 of these bad boys on there. Go ahead and give your eggs a chop. Now I'm gonna show you how to whip the seasonings up for these motherfuckers. Oregano, cayenne, black pepper, 1 lemon squeeze, 1 lime squeeze, and we got some almond milk. Go ahead and slide her through with cilantro. Gotta love cilantro on your eggs. You toss in some cheese, whatever kind you like. So for this batch, I got about 14 hash browns. You're gonna want to get you a nice bowl. What I'll go ahead and do is chop these hash browns in half. We're gonna go ahead and add the eggs, the spring mix. And this shit's gonna be bomb for you. Body. Onions and tomatoes. We got our avocado sliced up like a checkerboard. It comes out very easily. Just give it a little scoop. The OG Supreme recipe. If you want to get a bit of salsa to throw on there. I ain't really got no salsa. My favorite kind of hot sauce. Yeah, it's like the best hot sauce. Beautiful veggie skillet. Avocados, tomatoes, hash brown, egg, green pepper, mushroom, lettuce. Oh man, oh yeah. Ooh. Last ingredient for these motherfuckers, jalapenos, yeah. Could not forget what else. Coffee. So we're gonna go and get that coffee in there. This is the recreation right here of the lighter than life experience.
Hey man, you trying to get a hand job? I'm sober. This is really awkward.
You are not sober.
I promise you I am.
Okay.
Oh, my baby. Come on, baby.
Exactly.
I've drank literally one beer. I've just been walking around with it. It looks cool.
Interesting.
Drink it. Hey, tell me right now, a guy in a leather vest packed with beer shutters up to your fucking tent, and you're trying to tell me that either A, you don't want to hang out, or at least put out? At least hang out with me. Jesus Christ. What's up, buddy? You trying to get a hand job? What's up?
Not per se, but how you doing?
I'm good.
Dude, I got fucking pissed on this motherfucker. I tell you what, I ain't got no shoes on, and I ain't hopping in this motherfucker and shoes on.
Alright, I'm so sorry. I came to a porta potty at 7 a.m. this morning. And we're gonna leave that next part out. What's happening, man?
What?
Can you pass a word for me?
So you're telling me
This dude named Peanut's giving hand jobs in porta potties.
So you're over just chilling.
Hey, man,
just
check it out. I got a
You're
bubble.
over a party, and you're over in a porta potty, and you're like,
porta potties, hand jobs. Hey, bro, you're really fucking. Don't touch it, bro.
I don't know why I'm recording. They just told me to record.
Hey, Bubble, we need to stay about. You need to stay about this far back from me. Okay.
Basically.
You okay?
Huh? What are you saying, dude? You can get a shot at anything the fuck you want. You trying to get a shot at jizz? What's happening?
No homo.
He's so
I am fucking full homo.
I ain't trying to get in your bubble now. I'm trying to get your fist
I
bump.
bet you'll stay the fuck away from me now, won't you, bitch? Fuck is that? You want to chug it? Pussy.
You got responsibility.
You smell it?
Pussy?
Yeah.
It might be matched
You
to
need to go wash it real quick. I might
What?
lick it.
my 20-inch dick.
Either or, whatever. Let's party, everybody. You with us or not? Thanks for the party, sweetheart. Free mustache rides or hand jobs. Somebody touch me, please. God damn. Alright, I gotta go downstairs for a second. I'll be right back.